Welcome to Finance and Forest. My name is Benhar. I hope you guys are doing well. In case if you're watching me first time, please watch my previous videos where we talk about something like something related to the crypto analysis for the weekly analysis. This is the new series which I introduced. I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are learning and not just directly just clicking the buy button before you just that's how like the idea behind of like let's a minimum price or like maximum price, the possibilities where it could go down and go up. So I hope you guys are learning something from this new series. And thank you so much for if you already subscribed. And in case if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share your comments if you want me to add something as well. And for today's week, and I'm also planning to start the new series of like concept of the week for the stocks as well as for the financial investments. So just let me know how we would find it and how you want it. And yeah, and for today, let's start how the crypto analysis will look or how it went last week and how it will be looked in the upcoming week and what important price we should think about before we buy and not just buy. So stay tuned. And okay guys, we are on investing.com and let's talk about like some crypto currencies. This field will pop up like when you visit to this site and then just click on markets and then say cryptocurrencies, and these are the cryptocurrencies. Yeah, some top cryptocurrencies, and let's see the 7-day change. So Uniswap is the first, Binance Coin, Cardano. So I'm not sure about Uniswap because I haven't tracked this crypto from on at my personal level, but we'll talk about more of like Binance Coin, Cardano, and XRP, and we'll also include Bitcoin. So let's see one by one. So Binance Coin, the first, like 7-day change. Finally, things that looks little green or like little positive signs. So as far as like for 7-day changes, it has like almost record for 45%, Cardano 43, 44%, Ripple like XRP recovered almost like 30%, and Bitcoin is around 11%. So let's see one by one these coins particularly and what is the best price as of now today, which is 31st of May, which I would see the best price to buy or like to think of buy. So let's continue. So first, Binance Coin. Uh, we see this week a really bearish 2 weeks back to back, and like things are looking little normal, I would say little bearish. And what are the important levels on the weekly analysis is this one. This is the support, which is around $266 as of today. And again, this is the support, which means like this is the buying zone, where you'll see a lot of buyers or like buyers. We also see if we the volumes equity good on the last week. And if we see the earlier seller zone or like resistance, I would see somewhere here, because again this was the support previously and now it could turn to the resistance. So I would see this would be little challenging price for Binance Coin on a weekly basis. Let's see how about like 4 hours chart looks like 4 hour chart. So if you see, yeah, we are somewhere in the same zone, which is like support, and this is resistance. Again, if you are new to this channel and watching first time, the support is like, think about like buying zone or like demand zone, where the most of the buyers are sitting at this zone or at this place. And resistance, it is a supply zone where the currently I see as of 21st of May, most of the sellers will seller zones, like Yeah, which is $409. So this is some the key levels, and let's see if it is the chart pattern looks like. Yeah. So if you see one common thing, it is it is not going beyond this. So this is acting as a resistance. So in case if this Binance coin has to move forward or like has to increase, it has to break this barrier or it has to break this trend line, we call it as. So it has to break. So best is for me as of today, if you want to buy or if someone want to think about buying, they should wait for this level to break down. So they should wait till this breakdown happens, like somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. I'm sorry, somewhere here. So yeah, on 4 hours chart. So again, like the idea behind is just to understand the price behavior or like what could be the good price to buy and good price to think about to buy and not to buy. I mean, like it is solely your decision. I'm not a we can't predict the price of any of the instrument. So I won't be telling like okay buy at this price it will go for this or that. It is just a possibilities where as of today what could be the best price to buy or to think of buying. So this could be somewhere like 340 would be we have to wait because again if we buy now assume like if you buy somewhere like it is current price is 330 and what if like going down till here. So it is best to wait it break this resistance. I hope yeah so it is clear. So let's take the next one. So next one is Cardano, what we said. Okay, USDT. Let's see how it looks on the weekly basis. So yeah, on a weekly basis, the things are this week was little improving in terms of like price compared to the last week, and the key important levels for the weekly wise is like 1.31 dollars, and where I see the resistance or where I see the sellers zone is like 1.80 dollars, and it is currently trading at $1.64, and on a daily basis it is around 17% up. So let's see about like 4 hours chart, and in case yeah if you want you can do the daily basis analysis or like 15 minutes or hourly basis, but I would say uh, if you want to plan at least for a week, it is better to think look around the 4 hours chart because 15 minutes and 1 hour charts are mostly for the day trading. And yeah, so as of today 31st of May, I see this is the support and this is the resistance, $1.78. So let's see if we draw the trend line, how does it look. So yeah, so if you see, I see this is will have little possibilities of going at least like 1.8 in next week, because if you see and the common place this was the re- uh, resistance where like few hours back it broke the resistance, and now uh, yeah it will take a support of this level. So I'm it may go around like at least like 1.8 or something. And again, one thing like with Cardano, I see because um a common thing in here about Cardano. The prices are around like 1.50 or 1.35 is like normal or like best price to buy if you think, because it's solely your decision. And yeah, so yeah, if you see, always it most of the time the buyers are more active around like 1.4, 1.3. So yeah, so let's see the next. We set XRP. Okay, XRP, XRP USD. Okay, so let's see how things looking. These are my some previous analysis. Okay, weekly basis. Let's see. Mm, uh, yeah, if you see, it is having back-to-back little bearish candles on a weekly basis. It is like almost like coming down on from all $1.5 to now it is currently trading at 0.89. So how the price looks like, the lower level as of today, I see on a weekly basis it is 0.70 dollars, $0.70, and the upper side I see the seller zone will be somewhere around like $1. So let's see for 4 hours chart, how does it look? Okay, so these are the same the levels are, I see the same levels because at this area this it couldn't go through beyond 1.054 in last couple of days when I see from 20 21st May until today it didn't go beyond 1.010 dollars. So let's see how the if there is any pattern or like if there is any chart which can be drawn or a trend line which can be drawn. So okay, so if you see, it is getting rejected from these points. So it will be really difficult to say whether it will reach or at $1 and when it could go. But if you someone want to buy, I would say in coming like today or tomorrow, they should think about like to buy at somewhere around like 1. Sorry, 0.93 or 0.95. This is again my understanding, and like yeah, you if you feel like you can bear the losses, what if like bear the losses, or if you think like okay, I can buy or I can bear the loss or I can bear the profit as well. So it may go up, it may go down, but the best possibilities as of today, if you see, it is struggling to go beyond this line. So yeah, and yeah, if you buy today it, because why this place I choose, again reason remains same, we need some indications or we need some signs that it could go beyond this line. So it could, again it could repeat this as well, and it may come down as well or it may go up well. But for us, if someone want to buy in somewhere next week or like in today or tomorrow, the best price I would see as of today is 0.96. So let's see the next one. We'll talk about like Bitcoin. Yeah. So let's see how things look at the weekly basis. If we see on the weekly basis, uh, again there is not much strength which I see in Bitcoin this week also, because last 2 weeks was little tough and this week is little okay. And yeah, so on a weekly price I see this as a 32,735. 15, and the next immediate resistance or seller zone I would see at 40,250 dollars. So let's see for the 4 hours chart. So, so yeah. So as of now, I see, if you see, this line is still not broken, and the best decision, or like the good best decision to buy is like to wait till then, till this goes somewhere here, somewhere here, because we need a confirmation about like how to where it will break, whether it will break this line, trend line we call this, and then only we can see that it will go beyond this. But if you see, there are some rejections on these lines, 1, 2, 3, and this is on current flow, currently it is on the near to the trend line. So yeah, so let's see, if someone want to buy, what they should think about buying. I would still say it is better if we can wait and watch uh, till this levels, 33,678, because I see it is rejecting the up this line, which is like common one time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth time. So it is still not sure whether this Bitcoin will break this line or not. So it is still under the phase, and which is we can't say whether it will break or it will not break. So if someone want to buy, they should think the price to be like somewhere 33,000, or yeah, somewhere around like at this level. Mm, yeah, 34,000, 33,000, yeah, $34,312, because today if you think about like in this way, like today if you bought, it may go this side as well, it may go up, it may go down, but the possibility, if you see this chart, one common thing is it got the rejection at these lines, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and this is the fifth time. So it could, we don't know, it will go up, it will go down as well. But what we know, if we see previously, it couldn't go beyond this line in couple of week, like at least like from 21st 10th May, it is holding, or like it is not gone beyond this line, this trend line. So I would say this could be the price as of today, I see, or like couple of in next week, 34,100 to be per. And yeah, just in case if you still believe like okay, this will go up, and this is will you see the potential, or like if you believe like, if you think that it will go up, oh it is like it was supposed to reach 100,000. Few people talk about like it will go till 100,000, like it reached till 60,000, 50,000, and now it is like 36,000. Why shouldn't I buy? The reason behind, like there is, if you plan to buy, and what would I would follow, or like what I would suggest, in case, suppose assume you have 1,000 euros, and which you wanted to buy in a Bitcoin, 1,000 euros of Bitcoin, for example, I would won't buy all 1,000 euros Bitcoin today itself. What I would do, okay, if I see, okay, I'll just try 200 today. Okay, I'll break this $1,000, 1,000 euros, and I'll break this to accommodate my Bitcoin of 1,000. So, for example, like first I will buy for 200 euros, then then if I see, I'll see whether it is giving me profits or it will giving me losses. So I'll break this amount like 200 and then 300 and then like 500 or whatever you choose the amount. But I would be putting all my 1,000 euros at today's date, because I don't see, as far as like, I don't see that much like it is going up, but I see the possibilities of going at this price level. So but I'll still, if someone still want to go and buy, but I would follow, or I would recommend, or I would suggest, instead of buying all 1,000 euros Bitcoin, break this amount and try to buy in that amount. You can buy Bitcoins. There are some platforms like eToro. They also, you can buy with as much minimum like 50 euros, 25 euros. So break this amount instead of putting your whole amount. So that's what's the idea behind. And if we see on the hourly basis, let's try to see. Yeah, let's see on the hourly basis as well. So yeah, one, two, again like three, four. So it is like on the verge to break this line, but it was better to wait and watch until it break this line or this trend line, and where it will break, somewhere close to here. Yeah, 36,700. So yeah, that's what the analysis which I thought to share, which for this week, and I hope you guys have learned today something new, or how to draw the support and resistance and the trend line. So these are again the price action basics of, like, to understand the price behavior, or like to understand the price movement, and some possibilities are like reducing our losses. So again, I'm not a crypto analyst expert, or like crypto advisor, or like any any stocks or any investment advisor. But yeah, I just thought like I do share what I know, or like what I follow. So yeah, I hope you guys have learned, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and write your comments and share your thoughts. And thank you so much.